going on, everyone? Silver Stallion here. As always, I love to start by thanking each and every one of you for joining me here 3 times a week, every single week. And for today's story, I got this bad boy out of my safe. More so for me, because I haven't looked at it in a while. And I miss her. And so today, we're going to be unraveling the intricate and captivating story of the Hunt brothers. A tale of ambition, market manipulation, and one of the most dramatic financial upheavals in history. The attempts by Nelson Bunker Hunt and William Herbert Hunt to corner the silver market in the late 1970s and early 1980s is a story that combines high-stake finance with a lesson in economic consequences. Let's dive deep into the strategies, the fallout, and the lasting impact of the fascinating saga. To understand the Hunt brothers' silver saga, we must first know who they were. Nelson Bunker Hunt and William Herbert Hunt hailed from one of America's wealthiest families, built on a robust oil empire founded by their father, H.L. Hunt, in Texas. By the 1970s, the brothers had diversified their investment beyond oil, driven by a belief that the impending collapse of fiat currencies due to inflation and geopolitical instability. Precious metals, particularly silver, seemed to them a safe haven and a hedge against this economic uncertainty. The brothers began their silver accumulation quietly in the early 1970s, initially purchasing bullion and later moving into future contracts. This strategic move allowed them to leverage their position and amass even larger quantities of silver. By 1979, the Hunt brothers controlled an estimated 1 million ounces of silver, amounting to nearly a third of the world's privately held supply. Their buying spree coincided with a period of high inflation and political unrest, which helped propel silver prices from around $6 per ounce to a staggering $50 per ounce by January of 1980. The Hunt brothers' strategy wasn't just about hoarding silver, it involved complex financial maneuvers. They used a combination of physical silver purchases and future contracts to influence prices. And by leveraging futures, they could control significant quantities of silver with relatively little upfront cost, allowing them to amplify their influence on the market. However, this aggravated strategy also made them vulnerable to margin calls and prices drops, so their actions sent shockwaves through the market, impacting industries relying on silver such as photography, electronics, jewelry. As the price of silver soared, so did the cost of goods and production, causing ripple effects throughout the global economy. The climax of this saga came in March 27, 1980, known as Silver Thursday. As silver prices peaked, regulatory bodies and financial institutions grew increasingly concerned about the market's stability. The COMEX and Chicago Board of Trade implemented rule change to curb the Hunt's influence, raising margin requirements and limiting positions. These changes triggered massive margin calls, which Hunts couldn't meet due to their over-leveraged position. The result was a dramatic sell-off, causing silver prices to plummet and the Hunts to incur losses exceeding $1 billion. The fallout from Silver Thursday was severe. The Hunt brothers, once among the wealthiest individuals in the world, faced financial ruin. They were forced to liquidate assets and declare bankruptcy. In 1988, they were found guilty of conspiring to manipulate the silver market and were ordered to pay fines and compensation, further depleting their fortune. This dramatic episode led to increased scrutiny and regulation in the commodities market, as well as changes in how the future trading was monitored and enforced. The Hunt brothers attempted to corner the silver market remains a cautionary tale in the annals of financial history. That underscores the dangers of over-leverage, market manipulation, and the volatile nature of commodities trading. Their story is a powerful reminder that even massive wealth cannot guarantee market control without risk. For modern investors, the Hunt saga offers valuable lessons on the importance of diversification, the risk of speculative trading, and the need for regulatory oversight to ensure market stability. And that's all I have for you guys here today. So thank you again for joining me on this exploration of the Hunt brothers' silver saga. Their story is a dramatic chapter in the financial history, offering lessons that resonate even today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Silver Stallion 13 for more insights into the world of finance and investing. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this story in the comments below, or let me know if there's any other financial tales you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy investing, and as always, I'm Silver Stallion, here to remind you, don't get caught slacking, keep on stacking. Silver Stallion out. Peace.